Now in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Payoneer to Gumroad. Now this is a very easy tutorial and easy to follow. So first thing you need to do is you want to go to your Gumroad and then click on start selling. Now after that you will be able to connect first you will have to go to your Payoneer. So the first thing you need to log in into your Payoneer account. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. After you log in into your Payoneer, click on log in, and then after that you want to enter your information here. Click on sign in. Okay, next step, what you need to do is you want to click here where it says, let's just wait for the Payoneer to load. Okay, so first thing you want to click on get paid. After you click on get paid, you want to click on the receiving accounts. Now after that you want to select USD based in USA, like USA bank account. Click on it. Now all these information you will be able to add them to your Gumroad in order to receive payments. If you don't see anything here, keep watching. I'm going to be showing you how you can enable this. Okay, so as you can see, the routing number, the account number, the account type, the name. So these information are what we need to add into your Gumroad, so that you can receive payouts. Now you want to go to your Gumroad, then click on settings. Now after that you want to click on payments in the top. Okay, and then scroll down, and here you want to enter the information you have on your Payoneer. Now for example, the routing number, you just need to go to routing number and click on copy, and then you want to paste the routing number here. Now the account number, you click on it, then copy the account number, confirm the account number, just again enter here the same account number. Now when it comes to pay to the order of, full name of the account holder. Now the account holder name is this, just click copy it, then paste it here. Now here the account type, individual, when you are selling as yourself, when we are selling as a business. So myself, I'm just going to click here on individual. Now we want to enter here the name. Okay, the first name and the last name. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Just enter all the information here. Now I'm going to enter here the last name, the address. You want to enter the address, the country. The country you want to select United States, because like this bank account is based in United States. Now the phone number, you want to enter here the phone number, the date of birth. I'm going to enter here the date of birth here. So I'm going to scroll down here. I'm born in 2000. So that's all. And then last, like you want to enter the last 4 digits of SSN. Okay, so that's all you need to do in order to be able to connect your bank account. You can also receive payments like using the debit card. If you click on debit card, you will be able to receive payments. Just enter here the card number, and that's it. Okay, the card number here, the expiration date, the full name, and that's it. And after that you wanna click on confirm, and then you will be able to connect it. After you are done, after you enter all the information, the routing number, the account number. Now you don't need to add your address, I believe. So if you don't have the correct address, you can just enter here the bank details, like I said, the routing number, account number, confirm the number, then click on update settings in the top right. Okay, so that you want to click on update settings, and that's it. Okay, so after you do this, now if you don't have this information, make sure you receive at least $100 to your own Payoneer account from other businesses in order to start using the bank account here, the USA bank account. That's just for some users. Like sometimes even a new accounts can have a bank account, USA bank account, to start receiving payments. So this bank account can only be used to receive payments from businesses. So that's what we are going to do. We are actually adding here to Gumroad, which is like a business website. So you will receive a payments without any problem. This bank account cannot receive money from personal accounts, so we are not doing that right now. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know in the comments. Drop a like. See you in the next tutorial.